welcome back to As Good As We Can channel. Today I'm going to make our lunch, and it's a very healthy and nutritious one. It's a soup, and it's actually a really historical traditional Sicilian soup. It's called Macco, and we usually make it with fava beans, but we also make it with green dried peas. Today I'm gonna make this soup with the green dried peas that you can find almost everywhere in good supermarkets. So if you find it, you can make this recipe, this soup, that is very full of vitamins, for example iron, magnesium. So if you need something to make you feel a bit better, and you maybe don't eat beef, so you are vegan or vegetarian, that's the recipe for you. So I think it's time to cook, and let's see the ingredients.
Guys, remember to spread the peas and make sure that there is no impurities. It's really important. After you checked that there is no impurities, use a strainer to wash your peas under the running water. And it's time to put everything in the pot. So use a knife to cut the tomatoes and to put the tomatoes inside, cut it in 4. So after the tomatoes, take your shallot, cut it, and put it in the pot. And it's olive oil turn. It's time for the water, 1.5 liters. And I can say it, we are almost ready to cook. Just a bit of pepper and salt. And now I can say it, you are ready.
Our soup is ready, and you can see it's very creamy. It's very good. If you like it a bit more liquid, you can add some water, and you can even cook pasta inside. But pay attention, you really need to mix it really good, constantly, all the time. Serve it in a bowl like this, and put some fresh olive oil on top and some pepper if you like. What can I say? I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and remember to subscribe to our channel As Good As We Can. If you have Instagram, we have an account too, so you can find us everywhere. Feel free to write us a message or a question, because we are always happy to answer. So thank you very much for following, and happy lunch!